Addition is so simple. I know all of them.
Really, Turbo Girl? Let me test you.
I can do this question. I add up the ones first. 3 plus 5 make 8. Then I add the tens. 2 tens plus 5 tens is 7 tens. My answer is 578.
That's good. What about adding numbers where you need renaming?
Renaming? What's that?
Renaming happens when you need to bring a number from one place value to another place value. Let me show you one question, Turbo Girl. Arrange the numbers for me. Thank you, Turbo Girl. Very good. I see that you have placed the ones under the same column. Look at the ones column. 9 plus 8 is equals to 17. I rename 17 as 1 10 and 7 ones. So, I need to carry 1 10 over to the tens place. And I add the tens, which is 5 plus 1 to get 6 tens.
And the answer is 467.
Now, it's your turn to try.
Let me try. First, I add the ones. 7 plus 6 and I get 13, which is 1 10 and 3 ones. I write 3 in the ones place. I need to carry 1 10 over to the tens place. Next, add 6 tens to 1 10 and that is 7 tens. Finally, as there is nothing to add under the hundreds, all I have to do is to write down 2 hundreds. So, the answer is 273.
Good job, Turbo Girl. Just now, you have learned how to add the ones to a 3-digit number. Now we shall learn how to add a 2-digit number to a 3-digit number with renaming.
I'm ready.
Look at the following question. 347 plus 82. We have to add the ones first. 7 plus 2 is 9. Next, add the tens. 4 tens plus 8 tens equals 12 tens. We rename 12 tens as 102 tens. We have to carry 100 over to the hundreds place. Finally, we add the hundreds. 3 hundreds plus 100 equals 4 hundreds. Thus, the answer is 429. Can you understand so far?
I think I understand. Let me try one sum.
Okay, try this one then. 586 plus 53.
First, I add 6 and 3 to get 9. I write down 9 in the ones place. Next, I add 8 tens and 5 tens to get 13 tens. I rename 13 tens as 103 tens and carry 100 to the hundreds place and write 3 in the tens place. Finally, I add 5 to 1 to get 6 hundreds. The total is 639.
Well done, Turbo Girl. Now, look at a harder question. Pay attention while I do this question step by step for you. Read the question for me.
465 plus 47.
Step 1. You need to add 5 and 7 to get 12. Then, rename 12 ones as 1 10 and 2 ones, and write 2 in the ones place. Next, carry 1 10 over to the tens place. Step 2. Add 1 10 and 6 tens to get 7 tens. Cancel 6 and write 7 beside it to show 7 tens. 7 tens plus 4 tens gives 11 tens, which is equal to 101 ten. This time, you need to carry over 100 to hundreds place and write 1 in the tens place. 100 plus 4 hundreds is 5 hundreds. The answer is therefore 512.
Wow! In this question, I had to do renaming twice.
Now, can you try doing one on your own? I will check your working for you.
Okay, let me try. First, I need to add 5 and 9 to get 14. Then, I rename 14 ones as 110 and 4 ones, and write 4 in the ones place. Next, I carry 110 over to the tens place and add 3 tens to it to get 4 tens. 4 tens plus 6 tens gives 10 tens, which is equal to 100. So, I write 0 in the tens place. Now, I need to carry 100 over to the hundreds. 100 plus 7 hundreds is 8 hundreds. The answer is therefore 804.
Good job! Finally, in today's lesson, we will learn how to add 3-digit numbers. I am going to show you how to add 535 and 359. As usual, we start off by adding the ones. 5 plus 9 to get 14, which is 110 and 4 ones. So we write 4 in the ones place. Then we carry 110 over to the tens place and add 3 tens to it to get 4 tens. Then we take 4 tens plus 5 tens to get 9 tens. Finally, 5 hundreds plus 3 hundreds and we get 8 hundreds. The final answer is 894. Turbo Girl, it's your turn.
I add 9 and 9 to get 18, which is 110 and 8 ones. I carry 110 over and write 8 in the ones place. Next, I add 110 and 5 tens to get 6 tens. 6 tens plus 3 tens gives 9 tens. So, I write 9 in the tens place. Lastly, I add 4 hundreds and 5 hundreds to get 9 hundreds. The final answer is 998.
Another question for you, Turbo Girl.
First, I add 2 and 8 to get 10. I need to carry 110 over to the tens place. Then, I add 110 to 7 tens to get 8 tens. Now, I add the tens. 8 tens and 4 tens equals to 12 tens. 12 tens is 100 and 2 tens, so I have to carry 100 over. 100 plus 3 hundreds gives 4 hundreds. Finally, I add the hundreds. 4 hundreds and 2 hundreds equals to 6 hundreds. Thus, the answer is 620.
You are correct, clever girl. What have you learned today, Turbo Girl?
Whenever I do addition, I need to add the numbers in the ones place first, followed by the numbers in the tens place, and finally the hundreds place. On certain occasions, I need to do renaming. For example, in adding 535 to 359, I start off by adding the ones. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 ones is equal to 110 and 4 ones. I write down 4 in the ones place and I carry 110 over to the tens place. 110 plus 3 tens gives 4 tens. 4 tens plus 5 tens is 9 tens. I write down 9 in the tens place. Finally, I add up the hundreds. 5 hundreds and 3 hundreds is 8 hundreds. Therefore, the answer is 894.
Very good, Turbo Girl. See you at the next lesson. Bye.